Hello everybody, it's me, little chocolate candy here, and today I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to be doing the body of this girl over here. Why did you just do that? Okay. So this girl. And if you want, of course, you can make eyes, but I didn't for some reason. I don't know why. So, what? Wait a second. This looks darker. Is this darker? Okay, guys, sorry about that. I had to fix some things in here. So let's start doing the body, I guess. Guys, sorry for not recording for a while. It's so hard to record when you don't have unlimited internet and stuff like that. It's just so hard. Sorry, guys. I've since I hit 20 subscribers, I'm so happy about it. I want you guys to write as many as questions as you want in this video's comments, because why not? I will do a Q&A pretty soon. So yeah, write some comments. So guys, this skin is so cute. I love doing skins like this. Slow so much. Did I do it? I didn't know. Yes, I did. Okay. I'm so quiet today. I don't know why I don't have anything to talk about. But guys, oh yes, there's something to talk about. I have Instagram, and you can go check it out and go to direct and write, I'm a subscriber, can I unfollow you? And I will let you follow me, so it would be fun. Anyway, so we do this. I'm not going to be like this. Like, we do this. I don't like doing that. Like that. I'm confused. Oh gosh, this was a lazy day, guys. Okay. This was the laziest day of my life, I think. I was like sitting at home, thinking everything and watching TV, looking at YouTube. Then I went to my channel and saw that I hit 20 subscribers. I was so happy and stuff like that and blah blah blah. Yeah, that's how it went. Okay. So we're going to do the tail now. So we need black. Oh god. Oh my gosh. This is... Oh, I forgot how to make a tail. Guys, give me a moment. Where's my skin of that? Yeah. Okay, it's like... Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry about the sounds in the background. Yeah, sorry about those. Okay. It's... Okay, guys, just give me a moment, okay? This is hard. Okay, yes. Okay, I got it, guys. Don't ever worry. 2, 3. Okay. Is that... This is just so terrible. Give me a moment. I'm sorry, guys. I always forget how to make a tail. It's just my personality. Okay. So, okay, I got it now. Guys, believe me, I got it. So we go like this, and yeah, like this. And there you go. Now we have to make it pink. The tail is going to be pink, of course. So, gosh, there's so much sounds coming from the background because I'm not alone in this house and they're just making sounds and sounds and sounds. Yeah. That is just great. So guys, as I was saying, ask me some questions, but there's one rule. No personal questions allowed, so ask me questions about video games, my YouTube channel, stuff like that, and stuff like that. Yeah. But no personal questions allowed. Can my phone work for like 1 minute? Seriously. Okay. Okay. Done that. Now we need it to make it white. Yes, it was like this, right? Let me go check. That doesn't look right. The tail doesn't look right. Gosh. Why doesn't it look right? Oh my god, this is just terrible. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, let me try to do that. I'm a noob. Okay, we do this, and then we go like this, and yes, that's how it needs to look. So is it done yet? Is it done? Yes. Wait a second, to make it look better. Let's actually shade the clothes. Well, we can't right now because we already, no, that looks bad. I don't like it. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video pretty soon, so, yeah. Well, is everything done? It seems like it. Let me go check. Nope, everything's not done. Okay. I'm like, let me check. Okay, and okay, and okay. It's supposed to be like this. And boom, we did it, guys. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button down below. And as I was saying, write comments. Ask me questions. I will do a Q&A, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, bye.